Picture this, a cataclysmic event so grand, it will reshape the very fabric of our universe. In a distant future, the Milky Way, the galaxy that contains our solar system, is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy, its closest neighbor. But here's the twist, this collision won't just be a spectacular fireworks show. It will determine the fate of everything we know. A cosmic dance, billions of years in the making, begins as the two galaxies approach each other, and soon, the unimaginable will happen. Astronomers have been predicting this event for over a century. The Milky Way and Andromeda have been hurtling toward each other at unimaginable speeds, drawing closer every moment. When the two galaxies finally meet, their fate will not only change the stars, but will also create a new chapter in the history of the universe. Imagine these stars will be flung into new orbits, their paths rewritten by the massive gravitational forces. But even more mind-blowing, the supermassive black holes at the centers of each galaxy will come face to face, locked in an intense cosmic tug-of-war. It's a galactic collision unlike anything we can fully comprehend. And yet, we're closer to it than you might think. In just about 4.5 billion years, everything you know will cease to exist as the Milky Way and Andromeda merge. But how will it happen? And what will it mean for our survival? At first glance, it seems like an apocalyptic disaster. Entire star systems will be torn apart. The gravitational forces will cause chaos, warping space itself. Planets will be thrown into entirely new orbits, but their fate's uncertain. But here's the unexpected twist. Most of the stars themselves won't collide. Why? Because the distances between stars are so vast that even in the midst of a violent galactic merger, most of them will pass right by each other. The true horror, though, lies elsewhere in the collision of the supermassive black holes. The centers, both the Milky Way and Andromeda, are home to monsters. Black holes millions of times heavier than our sun. When these titans finally meet, the merger will unleash unimaginable amounts of energy, forming an entirely new galaxy. The universe itself will shake with the force of this cosmic union. What kind of galaxy will emerge from this chaos? Will it be a new dawn for life? Or will it be the end of everything we know? You might think that such a cataclysmic event would be the end for everything. But the reality is different. As the galaxies collide, stars will be scattered in vast new formations, but they won't be destroyed. The gravitational waves from the black holes' collision will ripple across space-time, but life, as we know it, may still survive, at least for a while. The twist: Earth might find itself in a new region of this merged galaxy, possibly even with new stars lighting our sky. Yet, nothing will ever be the same. The fabric of our cosmic home will be irreversibly changed, and our place in the universe will shift forever. This collision will take billions of years, and in the meantime, humanity's fate will hang in the balance. By the time the collision actually happens, humanity could be far different, or even gone. But if we manage to survive, we might just find ourselves in a whole new cosmic neighborhood. New stars, new planets, and maybe new opportunities for life to flourish. Or, perhaps, we will witness a new form of life born from the ashes of our old universe. Whatever the outcome, one thing is clear: the future is uncertain, and the universe is full of surprises. As we approach the climax of this galactic drama, the ultimate question remains: will we be around to witness the birth of a new galaxy? The answer lies in the distant future, but one thing is certain: this collision is inevitable. It's not a matter of if, but when. When it does happen, it will redefine the cosmos, not just for us, but for all life in the universe. The collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda isn't just a scientific event, it's the ultimate reminder of how fragile and dynamic the universe truly is. In the end, the story of our survival, or our disappearance, will be written in the stars themselves. It's a story that will unfold over eons, but one thing remains certain: the cosmic forces shaping our destiny will continue to surprise us long after we're gone.